In this video, you will learn how to post up a web ad. Let's get started. On your dashboard, you will see a plugin called Ultimate Ads Manager. This is the plugin we use to manage any web ads on our website. To upload an ad, select this, go to Adverts. From here, you would see a list of the different ads we currently have on our website. Say we want to add a new one. So if you want to go up here, there's an Add New button. Let's click on it. And from here, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can add the title of the ad as whatever you want. It would be, generally, I like to name it after the ad that's posted so that I know what it is logically. But first, let's choose an ad to upload as an example. If we can find one. If not, we will upload our own. Just as an example, let's go to images, ads. Oh, we have house ads here. Let's go to what we have here. Let's say I want to upload Faustino. They renewed a campaign with us. So let's upload Faustino. Hit select. So we want to say Faustino. Referral URL is what they send us. So let's say, like, for example, like, oh, just redirect it to our website, faustino.com. Hover text is optional. You don't really need to, but if you want to get fancy with it, you can type in whatever is in the adverts advertising line. The ad should open in. So this refers to the link. Do you always want this to open in a new tab? Because we don't want to drive traffic away from our website. We want them to stay on our website. Specify ad position, always center it. Enable no follow, that is completely optional. That you can do a start and end date here. Let's say, like, since today is the 29th, we want to end it a month later. Everything else is pretty much set. After that, you can just hit publish. So now your single ad is published onto our ad server. To add it to a group of existing ads or something you want to add new to, we have 4 sets of ad sizing here. So the square ads are basically the ones on the right sidebar to the website. It's basically this. The leaderboard is what's at the top of the homepage. Kind of just want to show you an example. So leaderboard will go up here. And then the full banners will go here and then at the bottom here. Since ours is the only full banner here, you want to click on full banner 01, which will appear in between the wine ticker here and the secondary set of features down here. So from here, select the ads for grouping. You want to select Faustino, and then that has been selected. That will show up. Again, you want to show the expiration date. You want to select that. Everything is done. Let's hit update. In theory, Faustino should show on the home page. And there it is. Oh, the first one is here. The second one is down there. My apologies. So there you go. You have your banner ad here. If you want to click into the features, it will show at the bottom of the feature, right here in between the tags and at the end of the story. That's it. You have just posted your first ad.